I'm going to show you how to create a find trains program. So let me show you how it looks. So if you run this program, it asks you to type your source, which means, and it asks to show your, type your destination. So let me do this again. It asks you to show your type your source. You need to type it, and again destination you need to give it also, and press enter. So now you can see the train number and train name, whatever is on your computer screen. Now let's start creating it. For that you must give your source, that means your starting point of the journey. I'll give it as Hyderabad. Source and destination must be in square braces. I'll give them as Hyderabad, Delhi, Khammam in America. And now when you run the program, it must ask you to give a source. For that you must write input in the code as enter source. Now give the destination. You not to create new destinations, just paste the source in the destination and give the same input. And give the same input for the destination. And now let's start creating the trains. And your train 1 must be in flower braces. Those flower braces are called dictionaries. Train 1 is called a dictionary, in which the tutorial is based on. So you can create train number, train name, train timings, your source and destination. You can create many trains. I'm just creating 6 as it is easy to show you. So you can see I'm giving the train number, train name, train time, source and destination. So as you could see now, I'm giving train time. And I'm giving the source and destination as well. So yes guys, this is my second video on YouTube. My first video is about how to download Python and VS Code on your computer. So we are gonna code all our programs in this VS Code and in the command prompt of Python. So make sure install both. Don't worry about this code. I'll provide the code of this in the description below. You can click that link and get it out from there. So yes, as you can see now, I have created 6 trains. Now create value for the trains. In value you must give the train dictionary name and the source and destination as well. So for 6 trains you need to create 11 values. As I'm not giving the value number for first value, I'm just giving as value. VAL itself is value. So you can see now. In train 2 you must give source and destination as well. For train 3 also you must give source and destination. For train 4 also you can give source and destination, as well as for train 5 and train 6. So as the values are almost done, so you can see all the 11 values are done. So let's print the train dictionaries as you type them in the source and destination. So if S double equals val and D double equals dest, val 1, sorry. Now we can print train 1. Do it all for all the 6 trains. As I said you before, I'm gonna provide this code in the description below. You can click on the link and go to GitHub and copy this code and run by pasting it in your VS Code. So what we are doing here is printing the values according to the dictionaries of train. This is a very easy and extraordinary code. It helps you a lot in your future. So please keep following my channel for more videos on Python programming. So as you could see, I'm printing the trains is almost done. Now I have to print the last train, number 6. So now the code is done. So now if you run it, it asks you to type your source and destination. Immediately after typing them, the train details prints on your screen. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you all like the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Irfan Tech Times. And my friend has another channel named Indian Channel Pro, whose link will be provided in the description. Please go check it out, the channel also. Hope you like the video. Please share, like and subscribe to Irfan Tech.